Hello, Rebecca mentioned that you'd had some problems pulling down the project from Git or making a clone of the project. So I just wanted to come on here and quickly demo it for you. I have pulled down a clone myself and it did work. It ran fine, so I'm not too sure what exactly is happening. I did just push some changes to it, but that was more like spellings and stuff that I noticed that were incorrect afterwards. And it still seems to be working fine. So apologies anyways for the fact that it's not running for you, but I'll quickly go through it now anyway. So up here at the top, as you can see, is the inputs for the price, and then we've got a date picker for the date, and then there's a drop down here, as I mentioned before, with 30-minute time intervals for the time. In the middle you can see here is the graph or the chart. As I said, I used, I don't know if I mentioned I used Canvas.js anyways to show a line chart. With price displaying here and then timestamp displaying here, and then here at the bottom is just a table of all inputs, and these are arranged in date order. I think they're from oldest to newest, but I'll just demonstrate now adding an item. So if we just add an item for, let's say, €100, like 50 cents, and then we can pick a date. We can pick today, and then just pick a time from the drop down, and then if we just click add, you can see here the graph updates. The max price has updated, so the old max price would have been 75. You can see that it's now 150. The min price is 236, the average price here, and then the most expensive time period is here, and the most expensive time period is still this period here, because even though it's 100, the things, there's nothing else with it. So that's basically how it works. The graph using Canvas.js, you can print it and export it and do stuff like that. And as I mentioned during the demo, that there weren't, the input validation was just that the input fields, you know, these ones will only allow you to select what you can select, and then this one will obviously only take a numeric value. But if I tried to enter this again, you can see even though the graph updated, it didn't actually add another one because there was already something added for that timestamp. So obviously there's improvements to be made there in terms of usability, and that the user should be updated that actually didn't get added because there was already something for that timestamp. It's run just basically, there's only one page that's output, and that's just the root of the application. And yeah, that's kind of it. If you have any more questions or if you want me to send on anything else, just let me know. Thanks very much.